What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 1/13/2026. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2025 Donruss football 4-box break number 1. Guys, there's a break number 2 on the site. 20% off, SBB 20 off on all football. Okay. Here we go. Numbered cards. To 99, Tajay Spears. Again, everything does ship. K. Doughton, also to 99. To 199, Chris Olave. Tony Richardson to 49. How about a Cam Ward to 100? Bomb Squad. Ricky Williams to 100. Malik Neighbors to 500. Will Howard to 10. Buda Baker to 500. Blake Groupie to 112. To 500, Jamison Williams, Roll Tide. Kyle Williams to 171. Drew Brees to 99, another die cut. Cortland Sutton, 14 out of 14 on that one. And Tet McMillan, Marvel's Gold to 10. Relics. All right, to 199, passing the torch. Keyshawn on one side, McMillan on the other. Jersey Kings. To 425, Roll Tide, Josh Jacobs. Jersey Kings to 425, Aiden Hutchinson. Canton Kings to 425, Lawrence Taylor. And then our autos. To 199, rated rookie auto for the Titans, Oluwafemi Aladejo. Brian Thomas Jr., Elite, that is to 99. Elite Series, Brian Thomas Jr. How about an Elite Series, Bucky Irving to 99? Bucky Irving to 99. And last but not least, the man of the hour, Tet McMillan. That is a Bomb Squad to 75. All right, guys, appreciate you filling it up. I'll get it shipped out in the next shipping batch from PA. Remember, all cards do ship. There is more Donruss on the site. Check it out.